got the sawmill out and running this morning. This is a big white oak log from a tree that actually fell on our property. Today we're going to be milling this up to make some more lumber for our shop and our pole barn that we're going to be building over by the barn this next summer. We're trying to mill as much lumber as possible so we can make the whole thing off of trees from our property. Here we go. Just flipped it up because, as you can see here, there's some rotten spots in it, but there are some parts of the lumber that are still good. We want to try to salvage what we can, that way it's not wasted. There's our boys being boys. But anyway, so we'll see here. There it is. So obviously it's not perfect, but we'll be able to use it somewhere for something in our shop and pole barn build. So better than nothing. This log is a big one. This is an oak tree. This is part of the tree that fell down at James's twin brother's house. We cut up part of it earlier this year. Now we're cutting up the rest of it. now this right here is ready to cut a bunch of 2x6s. So we'll do that next. Okay, that's it for today. So we got 20 2x6s here, and then there is some lumber over there that we will also be able to turn into 2x6s from the first log that we cut up today. So yeah, that's about it. This lumber here turned out perfect. There's no issues with any of these. The top one there you can see has a little bit of a live edge, but other than that, those are perfect 2x6s. So we will take it to the barn and add it to our pile, but otherwise, let's get the mill put up. Another successful day, and all of this will go right to my compost pile. It's in the evening, so it's kind of dark and hard to see, but this is all of our lumber that we've made so far. So we're definitely getting a nice lumber pile and getting ready for building our shop.